right now is running strong, and you know, every little bit counts. So we did get that sealed off a little bit better. So we'll be waiting for this part to come in. We're gonna let the car run 10 minutes and we'll do a vehicle test and we'll see what we get. Alright, been 10 minutes. I actually just shut the car down. We're gonna start it again. And the main symptom after it warms up is that it shuts right back down. Now mind you, that was only 10 minutes versus the 20 the first time. And we did reset adaptations. I'm just gonna do a vehicle test, see what we get. Yeah, let's yeah, we'll see. Not gonna lie though, to be honest, it seems to have a vibration, just seems to be abnormal. I'm not used to the car vibrating the way it is.